Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update Intel HD graphics drivers on your laptop on Windows 10 or Windows 11. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, tap on this search bar on the bottom left corner and you'll have to search for device manager and then tap on it. And right here you'll be able to find all the devices that are connected to your laptop or PC, and I've maximized it. And right here you'll have to tap on display adapters, double click on it, and then tap on Intel R HD graphics 4600 I've got. In your case it might be different. You'll have to right click on it and then tap on update driver, and you'll find two options. You'll have to tap on search automatically for drivers, and it will search the latest drivers for your Intel HD graphics. And right now it's saying the best drivers for your device are already installed. In your case it may update the graphics and you'll be able to get the latest version of the Intel HD graphics. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.